Detailed description of tub cleaning of hair automatic washing machine. Before starting the tub cleaning, clean the pockets and inner parts of machine with the help of wipes. Wipes are so easy to carry and clean. Clean the tub gently. Add any dishwash liquid and vinegar as well. Then close the lid and press both buttons. Program and set together for starting tub cleaning. It will take 10 liters of water for tub cleaning and take about 12 hours for cleaning tubs, so please keep it open. After starting the procedure, note the date of tub cleaning because it's important to clean the tub after every 6 months for effective cleaning.